Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Been in my shop working away. This is, I can't stand it up, I've got it glued, but it'll stand up like in the corner of your porch. And here's your H, and you have H-O-W-D-Y, howdy, on this sign. I messed up, I started painting the letters, and this wood, it's got such a beautiful texture to it that the paint just didn't do good. So I remembered a friend of mine's wife, actually he was my Native American Studies teacher in high school, and he and I are still good friends. And his wife was telling me about, she made a sign, she cut out the metal letters. So I got some letters, and I had all the things I needed, so I put it on metal. And let me tell you, that takes a while, but it's worth it in the end. And I've gotten faster with it, and I can probably cut out and do 6 sets of these letters in a day. And but it'll sit up there like that. I've got a measurement I use so everything's consistent. Like howdy is H-O-W-D-Y, 5 letters. All right, we're getting into complicated math. But with that being, I center up on the board the W, and then I measure off from the W, going back to the 0, then the H, then the D, then the Y. And that way it's centered on the board, and it looks a lot better like that. But I've got a lot of barn wood I'm doing this to, and I'm just building up my inventory. So hopefully if the flea market opens again, I'll have a lot. Either that or my youngins will have a lot to go through and figure out why I had all this junk. And that'll be fine too. But this board's just a beautiful board. Excuse my nasty shop. But I mean, just look at it. And I'm gonna spray it down with a spray of lacquer, and it'll be ready to be put in inventory and go to the flea market. And I've got a lot of stuff, and I've got 2 or 3 different projects I'm working on, and I'm really excited. I've got a new series I'm going to be doing, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And it's going to test my crafting, carpenter abilities all in one to be able to do what I'm going to do. But if it pays off, it'll be well worth it for what I want to accomplish. Thanks for stopping by. Come back in when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. Be well and safe, my friends. God bless.